Hey guys, Leela's Tools here. So in this video I want to talk a little bit about Bic lighters and about a little modification you can make to them to make them just better for your daily life. So here we have just a standard Bic lighter, one of the more newer ones that are made in France. It used to be made in USA. Just press down the spring and go, and there you go. Got a light. If you're like me and part of your EDC, I suppose, everyday carry, no matter like what, is a lighter, you might want to look into a little modification. If you notice this one, it does not have the spring. It's very, very easy to light. This one's been out in the shop, so it's cold. Yeah, and you can even do this modification on your small little mini Bics. That one doesn't want to light, it's cold. So, how do you do this said modification? Well, I'll show you. Got a pair of needle nose pliers. Come in here. I'm looking through the camera to do this, so maybe I can go in front so that works. There. Twist this tab up. Twist this tab up. Grab this here. Just pull it out. Just like that. Then, every two tabs sticking up, take them, bend them down, just like that. Usually press them flat with the end of the needle nose, just like that. And sometimes these tabs will break off, and that's no big deal. Just take and run your file over a couple times, and it'll be nice and smooth. This one worked out just perfectly. So there you go. Nice and easy to use. So there you go, guys. Just a little tip for your Bic lighters. If these are in your house and you do have kids around, you might not want to do that. But it does make it easier, and especially when you're using them all the time, it's easier on your thumb. So there's that for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, like, comment, and all the good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.